There can only be two outcomes at the very end of this video. Either this is a genius invention that everyone needs to go out and buy, or this is a solution to a problem that never really existed. Today I am reviewing this tripod. This is the Aochuan Master M20, and it's a basic tripod with the ability to go up and down electronically via remote. So let's start by seeing how it comes packaged. It comes in a nice white box with a picture on the side. Inside there is a USB-C cable for charging the tripod's built-in battery, a quick start guide, a microfiber cloth, tripod mount adapters, and the tripod itself. Now the construction on this tripod is good. It's very lightweight, it's 3 pounds even, made out of aluminum, and it's fairly sturdy. I would say that it's better than the Sony tripod that I use on a daily basis, but that is not saying much. There are a lot of more expensive, very sturdy tripods out there. This one is average and perfectly fine for the type of work that I would use it for. There is a bubble level at the top, some padded grips on the arms, and a nice little holder for the remote that can slide up and down. At the bottom of this shaft there is a motor that moves everything up and down. It has a USB-C port for charging and one button with an LED light indicator. The legs extend in 3 sections with quick clamps, which makes setting up this tripod quick and easy. The feet at the bottom are rubber and adjustable on a swivel head. Now this tripod does not come with any sort of adjustable head for your camera, but PerGear sent me their TH3 Pro tripod head, which is $31 on Amazon and extremely well rated with over 2,700 reviews and 4.7 out of 5 stars. Okay, so I mounted a camera onto this tripod and I have to scoot back to get this whole thing in frame. You can use this handy dandy remote right here to control it going up or down. So let's go up. Now it's noisy. That's the first thing that you'll notice. I wouldn't recommend vlogging or using a microphone like this as you're talking around something like this. But can you use it for other purposes? Sure, you can do B-roll shots like this. You can even do B-roll shots like this. So again, the question at the beginning of this video is this genius or is it completely unnecessary? Now, before I tested the SliPod, I would have said that these things would be absolutely unnecessary. But after reviewing the SliPod Pro by Moza, I would say that this is kind of a genius, a lot less expensive solution to the SliPod. Now, the SliPod Pro is obviously a little bit different. It's a monopod that extends up quite a bit more than this little tripod does, and the motors on the SliPod Pro are definitely quieter than the motors on this tripod, but the price on the SliPod Pro is $600, and the price on this tripod after coupon on Amazon is 75 bucks, and I would bet that you're getting about 70% of the performance that you can get from the SliPod out of this little tripod, apart from some complex maneuvers and mounting a gimbal on top and using it on some sort of crane contraption. For basic up and down and even some horizontal moves, you can probably get away with a cheap alternative such as this one. And this Master M20 is smooth. It's very hard to get B-roll shots like this when you're cranking a regular tripod. Trust me, I've tried, and I've done this over the last couple of years making YouTube videos. This Master M20 makes it easy, and when you think about it, it is genius because $75 will get you a regular average tripod these days. Even my trusty Sony VCT VPR1 tripod that I've used for years has gone up in price up to about $120, $125 up until recently, where it dropped back down to $75 for no apparent reason. So this tripod and this tripod are the exact same price on Amazon currently, and I would argue you're getting a lot more for your money with this little Aochuan Master M20. So all things considered, this is a good product. It's not for everyone obviously, but for the money, and I think this is the redeeming factor of something like this, is it's so inexpensive that it kind of makes sense. If you are looking for just a good, adequate tripod all around with the added ability of having some built-in SliPod features in a small, lightweight package that's pretty well built, all aluminum, then definitely check this thing out. I'll have links down in the description below with some specs that you can read all about as well. That is going to be it for this video, though. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for all of your likes, all of your comments, and your support. Stay tuned for more, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.